One more time, Sarabjit Sandhu from sarabjitsandhunetwork.com, and today we are talking about how to manage your friend requests. Uh, so when you have your timeline optimized, and you are providing value, and you are giving content, you are providing content every day on your timeline or on your page or anywhere you are on the social media, you are going to get you are going to get a lot of friend requests. So let's start where I left off. When you are getting friend requests, how you manage them. Number one is you go to their timeline and look at it. And usually number one rule in my how to manage friend request is accept. I usually accept all the requests except when I go and check at the timeline, when you cannot figure out either this is a man or a woman, sometimes they have a plant or a dog, something like that, then I do not accept those kind of friend requests. And sometimes it takes a lot of time for me to figure out either this is a man or a woman. Some people have set up their timeline like this. They're gonna put a photo of a couple, and then it takes a lot of time to figure out is it a he or a she. I do not like those kind of photos. You have to be clear when you are sending a friend request. Your timeline has to be saying her or him. When it takes a lot of time for me to figure out, when I go to their timeline, it's not clear is a man or a woman, I usually do not accept it, because right now it's giving me a lot of hard time to figure on the timeline, and later on I do not want to be having any trouble. So when the photo on the timeline is clear, and the timeline is clearly saying that it is their name and it is them, it is a her or him, I accept 100%. And when the photo is not clear, when it is not clear who is sending you friend request, or you see a flower or a pet or a dog or something else, I usually do not accept those friend requests. And sometime I'm seeing a lot of friend requests these days with caps on, where you just see only the cap and the brand of the cap, and you are not seeing the human being's face behind the cap. Those friend requests I avoid too. I am not excited to accept those friend requests, because I do not know who is behind the cap. I want to make friends with people who have a face, who has a name. I do not want to make friends with a cap, with a brand. I do not want to make friends with those kind of things. So you are supposed to avoid those. So number one is you accept, and exceptions which your gut is saying that you do not want to accept, and when you go and look at their timeline, their profile is not even showing who they are, it's not even optimized, then you do not accept them. So number two is, after you accept, conversate. So real sifting is going to come after you do the conversation. When you are having the conversation, you are supposed to introduce yourself, and other person is supposed to be saying hi, hello, or greet or something. Some people, instead of greeting or instead of saying hi or hello, taking time for that, they are more interested in sending their link in the messenger. They are more interested in throwing their link in the messenger. So I think I do not feel annoyed, but I feel that they have to learn a lot. They have to go a long way, because that is not the way to do online marketing. That is not the way to do network marketing. In network marketing, you have to do the work of conversations. You have to do that work of building rapport. Nobody is interested in your link at all when you are not building a rapport. That is very important over here. So once you have accepted, and number two, you have to conversate, You have to do the conversation. You have to find out who the other person is, what they are doing, and you have to check at their timeline too, what it is saying about them. Are they parents? Are they in their middle age, or they have young children, or they have a job outside, or they are doing online job, or they are entrepreneur. You have to go and check out everything. It does not take a whole day to do that. It just takes 5 minutes. So when you take 5 minutes and look at their timeline, you're gonna learn a lot about them. So you have to do that. You have to learn about the other person who is sending you friend request. Shoving your link in the messenger is not the way to send anybody friend request, or anybody that is not the way to build any repo, and that is not the way to build business at all. So taking time, finding out, once you find out, you conversate. If your person is interested in your link, is interested in what you are doing, then you are supposed to send your link. Otherwise your link is staying with you. Your link is not going in the messenger. Once somebody is interested, somebody is curious, the conversation is going to show that, then you are going to jump to help. Otherwise you are not putting your link in the messenger, you are not throwing it without the conversation. That is not the way to build repo at all. That is not the way to build any business. So you are going to have a conversation. After you have the conversation, you find out if the person needs your help or not. If the conversation is going to show that, when the person is equally interested in you in conversation, and there is a flow of conversation going on, that way you are learning about them, you are learning about their problems, their difficulties. Once you see they have any kind of problem or difficulty, then you are going to offer your help, and then you are going to show them your presentation. Number 3 is sifting. So some people, when they are not even ready to conversate at all, they just throw their link. So you have to do the sifting in your list. Otherwise people who are throwing their link, they have a lot to learn. So you and them, otherwise they are gonna be just sitting in your timeline. You are not gonna go and check at them at all, because in the beginning they have thrown their link. So guess what is going to happen when somebody throws their link without even conversating or chatting? Guess what is going to happen? You are not going to be interested in them at all, right? This is like when you are going to the mall, there are salespeople sitting at the kiosk, and you are trying to avoid to look at them, because once you look at them, you know that they are going to tell you, hi, hello, look at this, look at this. So this is the same thing. If you are throwing the messenger, then the person on the other end is going to avoid you. They are not even going to chat with you. They are not even going to look at your timeline at all. So do not in the first conversation send your link, or saying that, oh, you are a very nice person, that is why I'm sending you my link. That is just a BS. I'm gonna say that. Do not do that. So some people still do that. So then you go and sift those people who are not ready to conversate at all, and either they sit on my timeline, or either I delete them. I do not want to waste my time with the people who have are not interested in building repo, or doing their work on their part. I'm not interested in those friend requests. So I do sifting. So number 3 is sifting. Number 1 is you accept it. Number 1, you accept the friend request. Number 2, you conversate. And number 3, you are doing the sifting. So when I do sifting in the first shot, when people are sending me links, they are not my friends anymore. So those are my 3 tips, and this is how I do it. And let me know how you guys do it.